Welcome, friends. Today is not about movement. It is not about stretching, effort, or doing more. Today is about meditation. You can use it as a simple example for your daily meditation practice. You don't need a lot of time, just 5 minutes to recollect yourself. And those 5 minutes support your energy, clarity, and overall well-being throughout the day. This meditation has 3 layers. First, to gently restore your energy. Second, to help you land and complete this 7-day practice. And third, to center yourself within this current world environment, steady, calm, and present. No matter what is happening around you, find a comfortable seat or lie down. Feel the weight of the body being held. Bring your attention to 3 physical points of contact: your feet, your seat, your back, or your hands. Silently name them. This is your anchor. Right now, you are here. You are supported. Take one slow breath in through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Next, meeting the mind and emotions. If your mind feels busy or loud, that is okay. You don't need to stop your thoughts. If there is a heaviness, numbness, or emotion present, see if you can acknowledge it without naming or analyzing it. Silently speak to yourself. This is what is here right now. Let the breath move through that space, not to change it, just to make room for it. You don't have to carry everything at once. Now returning again, imagine your thoughts as background noise, like the traffic outside a window. You can hear it, but you don't need to follow it. Each time a thought pulls you away, gently return to the feeling of the body sitting here. No force, no judgment, just returning. Let's centering in the world now. Expand your awareness slightly. You are breathing, you're grounded, and the world continues to move around you. Notice that you can be present without being overwhelmed. Steady inside your heart, calm within uncertainty. With each inhale, feel a sense of steadiness. With each exhale, release what doesn't need your attention right now. Finally, let's take a moment to recognize yourself for showing up, for staying, for completing this 7-day practice. Feel yourself landing, not striving, not reaching, just here. Take one final deeper breath in and slowly exhale. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, softly open your eyes. Carry this grounded presence with you. You can return to this meditation anytime. 5 minutes to reset, reconnect, and center yourself in this world.